This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 39DK is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features a Grand Canyon interior, sleeps 8, oven, carbon monoxide detector, TV, LP detector, slide-out, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, water heater, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds, front kitchen, loft, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 39DK is 11,979 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.